A high turnover rate of residents in an apartment building is economically wasteful, requiring substantial effort, time, and financial resources for cleaning, marketing, and convincing new tenants. The ideal scenario is to have dependable residents who pay rent on time, are non-disruptive, and plan to stay long-term. How can property management achieve this? Here are tips to retain reliable, ideal renters. 1. Screen thoroughly. Utilize available services to quickly discover potential issues like a history of late or non-payment. 2. Offer attractive amenities. Offer desirable amenities like high-speed internet for remote workers and various spaces for different groups. 3. Respond quickly to problems. Quick responses, like promptly shutting off water to address a potential leak, can prevent extensive damage and costly repairs. 4. Provide good customer service. Effective property management prioritizes residents over revenue, reflecting positively on the entire building through friendly and respectful customer service. For property management assistance, contact us at info@atalagroup.com.